Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what you will assess and why. This focus prevents wasted effort. Once chosen, compile evidence, scores, notes, examples, and arrange them by importance. Now begin a timed review. Read one item, rate confidence 1-5, jot immediate reactions. Make sure to note patterns during this first pass. This targeted start gives you a rapid inventory of potential strengths and weaknesses so you can move into deeper analysis without hesitation. Once you have initial ratings, analyze for patterns. Are gaps clustered by topic, context, or timing? Ask root cause questions aloud. When does the issue appear? What interrupts performance? How often do errors recur? Make sure to link each rated weakness to its probable cause and record examples. Simultaneously, examine strengths for contexts where you consistently excel, because understanding transferability reveals where to leverage skills. This middle phase turns raw data. You finish by converting insights into a plan. Choose 3 specific actions, set deadlines, and decide how you will measure progress. Once done, schedule short, regular practice blocks and a weekly review to adjust tactics. Make sure to celebrate small wins to maintain momentum. If progress stalls, use the troubleshooting tip. Have the scope, simplify the task, and run a quick 1-week retest to rebuild confidence and expose hidden barriers so you can iterate effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.